The Signal from Voyager 1, it is one of the most awe-inspiring stories in the history of space exploration. As humanity's first interstellar spacecraft, Voyager 1 has been journeying through the vastness of space for over 4 decades. Launched in 1977 by NASA, it was originally intended for a flyby mission to explore the outer planets of the solar system. However, its journey has far exceeded its original expectations. Today, Voyager 1 is in the depths of interstellar space, beyond the influence of our Sunday, sending signals back to Earth that take more than 20 hours to reach us. These signals, though faint, carry invaluable data and represent the farthest communication ever achieved by humanity. But now, as Voyager 1 continues its lonely voyage through the cosmos, we are left with a burning question. What happens when the signal from Voyager 1 finally fades away? Voyager 1's mission began with an ambitious goal to explore the outer planets and send back data on the most distant reaches of our solar system. The spacecraft's flybys of Jupiter and Saturn provided us with unprecedented images and data, helping to expand our knowledge of these massive planets and their moons. After completing these major missions, Voyager 1 continued on its trajectory, eventually leaving the outer reaches of the solar system and entering interstellar space, the vast and largely unexplored region between the stars. Today, Voyager 1 is the most distant human-made object from Earth, currently over 22 billion kilometers, about 14 billion miles away from us. Despite this immense distance, Voyager 1 continues to send signals back to Earth. However, as the spacecraft travels farther from the Sunday, the power supplied by its radioisotope thermoelectric generators gradually diminishes. This means that the spacecraft's communication systems are growing weaker, and the data it sends is becoming increasingly difficult to receive. This situation has led to the realization that the signal from Voyager 1, once strong and clear, will eventually fade into the vastness of space. One of the most remarkable aspects of Voyager 1's mission is the fact that the signals it sends to Earth take more than 20 hours to reach us. When Voyager 1 transmits a signal, it travels at the speed of light. But the spacecraft is so far from Earth that it takes over 20 hours for the signal to arrive. This time delay means that when we receive the signal, we are actually getting information from more than a day ago. In other words, the signals we receive today are messages that Voyager 1 sent 24 hours prior. This time lag presents a unique challenge for scientists who are monitoring the spacecraft. While the spacecraft continues to send data back to Earth, the long delay between transmission and reception makes it difficult to make real-time decisions or adjustments. In the event that something goes wrong with Voyager 1, scientists won't know about it until the next day. This delay also means that any new data or observations the spacecraft makes are already outdated by the time we receive them, which makes the job of the engineers and scientists working on the mission particularly challenging. Despite this, the ongoing transmission of data from Voyager 1 is a testament to the resilience of the spacecraft and the ingenuity of the engineers who built it. The spacecraft is still functioning well beyond its expected lifespan and continues to provide scientists with valuable insights into the far reaches of space. But the clock is ticking, and the day will eventually come when the signals from Voyager 1 will stop. The inevitable end of Voyager 1's mission is approaching. As the spacecraft gets farther from the Sunday, its power supply diminishes, and the electronics and communication systems that allow it to send signals will eventually shut down. According to current estimates, Voyager 1 will cease communicating with Earth around 2025, when its power supply becomes too weak to maintain contact. When that happens, Voyager 1 will still continue to drift through interstellar space, but it will no longer be able to send back data to Earth. This marks the end of an era in human space exploration. Voyager 1 will have completed its mission, sending data for over 4 decades, and will continue to travel through space, becoming an eternal testament to human curiosity and ambition. The end of the mission, however, does not diminish the importance of Voyager 1's contribution to our understanding of the universe. Its journey has provided us with data on the outer solar system, the solar wind, and the interstellar medium. It has given us the first direct measurements of the space beyond our Sunday's influence and opened a window to the farther reaches of the galaxy. While the spacecraft may stop transmitting in a few years, the information it has provided will continue to shape the future of space exploration for generations to come. The data it has gathered will serve as the foundation for future missions to interstellar space, and its journey will remain a beacon for all humanity's quest to explore the cosmos. Although Voyager 1's signal will eventually fade, its legacy will live on. The spacecraft carries with it a golden record that includes a selection of sounds and images from Earth, intended to serve as a message to any potential extraterrestrial civilizations that might one day encounter the spacecraft. The golden record contains a variety of human achievements, including music, images of our planet, and greetings in multiple languages, all designed to convey the diversity and beauty of life on Earth. Voyager 1's golden record is a message to the stars, a lasting piece of humanity's story that will continue to travel through space long after the spacecraft itself has stopped transmitting. Moreover, the Voyager missions have laid the groundwork for the future of deep space exploration. The data that Voyager 1 and its twin, Voyager 2, have sent back have expanded our knowledge of the outer planets, the solar wind, and interstellar space. These missions have shown us the incredible resilience of human-made objects in space, and they've inspired a new generation of space explorers to push the boundaries of what we know. Voyager 1's ongoing mission continues to captivate our imagination. With its signal slowly fading, we are reminded of the immense distances involved in space exploration and the incredible journey this spacecraft has taken. It is a remarkable achievement, both technologically and symbolically. 24 hours until the message arrives from Voyager 1. And with each passing moment, it continues to send us the precious knowledge of the cosmos.